Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott wave theory. So before we get into this analysis, this is my disclaimer, read carefully. So finally, I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So today we are going to look not only for Nifty, we are going to look for Bank Nifty too. So this could be that pre-market predictions for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So first we will move on to that Nifty, SGX Nifty, and sincerely apologize for that. I didn't done for the past week, and the last Saturday I already uploaded my pre-market predictions. I think Monday I did, and after that Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday I didn't done. Maybe I didn't. I'm not remember that also. So only the one video I did, and in that is why I didn't erase this also, this view. So what I did is a 5-way structure, right? After that, it's a 3-way structure. So 1, 2, so 3, 4, and 5 is already completed, means in the diagonal pattern, and I'm expecting the 3-way structure to reach this 17,100 zone. Here, what I expected on that last week. But and I already informed that it can be shoot again to this also directly to the 17,700, and that will be a different path, and I already explained that also. So now it's already we are beyond that. So nearly it's almost touched the 18,000 mark in SGX Nifty, and then again the strong rejections there. So now how I'm looking here, it's just a minute, I will remove all those things. So my see before you are following me, right? My analysis, and for not for trading, if it is a learning purposes, you must to understand that the trend of this pair is a Nifty. So first of all we need to understand the trend. Now what I expected from here itself, the higher, right? My target is 19,500, so that is bullish. So in every time, if it is a 3-way structure, the bigger correction, we are looking only for the buy, not for sell trade setup. And I'm not trading that the futures, but only Nifty I did twice, and I'm just holding that also. So now what I am looking here as a trend follower, and from here itself I place this as a stop loss, and I have already informed, and I have go deep analysis also. I already informed that, and I already uploaded that also, why I'm looking for the 19,500, and with the deeper correlations to that all the global stocks, that indices, as well as crude oil, I correlated that. So you just go through, and I given the link below in the descriptions. You just go through that, and then you come to know how I'm looking this pair to reach the 19,500. So now how my view and what is going to do means, my target is now the for the shorter term is 18,200. So it is in the 4th wave and 5th wave to reach the 18,200 mark in SGX Nifty. So here it's looking like 1, right, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is got completed. So 1, 2, so 3, 4, and 5. So one 3-way structure is got completed here, and this is the bigger one. So this is the bigger 2, and this is the bigger 3, and I'm expecting the 4th wave. So 4th wave, I'm expecting if it is a irregular flat formation, it can come and it can form like this kind of pattern, and again one more high to reach the 18,200. So then later on it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5-way structure is got completed, and later on it's 1, 2, 3. So this is my bias. Is the first possibility. So what is the next second possibility means? It won't do like this, the 5-way structure. It can be again struggling to break this what it made now as of now 18,000. So if it is declining from here also, it is also valid, and this could be the head, and this could be the left shoulder, and this could be the right shoulder, and again one more high. So anyway, in the correction part, I'm expecting if it gives a deeper correction, it can reach again this zone also, this 17,100 also. Later on I'm expecting this, but after this, why I'm looking here, it's the bigger picture. It's I did this as a mark 4. It's a wave 4, right? I marked this as a 4. So either the 4 is got completed or it is still ahead in the formation of the running triangle or running flat formation. It can break above the high and again it can decline such a formation, or it could be a triangle, right? And I already informed that same several times. So this is my view. Otherwise, if this is the end of the fourth wave, so fifth wave has got a five-way structure, but if it decline like this, it could be a diagonal formation of ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2. So that could reach up to the 19,500 the wave formation. Because why I'm looking for the 19,500, that you know very well. Because here it's this wave 1, rejection wave 2, it's exactly that below that 17 yeah, exactly at a one level, right? So at least we can expect the same level here, 78.6 for the target of 20,000 here, but I'm looking only for the 19,500 because of if the fourth way, sorry, if the fifth way is a little bit uh, overlapping, or it's kind of diagonal pattern and it is overlapping, means it can reach up to the 19,500 and then again it can decline. And the fifth wave may be a little bit small also. It's not compulsory to reach the 786 for this wave length. So that is why I'm expecting the 19,500 mark here. But before that, there is a lot of roadblocks. As I informed that it could be a running flat or running triangle, or it could be the start of the fifth wave also. If it is the fifth wave, it will reach immediately to the 19,500 without any bigger consolidation or bigger correction. It can make the five-way structure. After that, the second wave and third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave, like that, it can reach up to that 20,000 also. So this is my simplest analysis. So that could be the end of the third wave. So you have to understand my analysis and wave count here. So we are in that 1, 2. So we are on the third wave. The third wave is also split into the five-way structure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that five-way structure is the end of this third wave. Later on, again one more fourth wave, and then again fifth wave to reach nearly 22,000 maybe. But the first target is 19,500. So let's move on to Nifty. That same pattern, nothing else changed here. So we can, one second. Yeah, I already informed to one of my WhatsApp group, and I'm a member, a community member. It's not my group. So in that I have explained that whether it could be a regular flat or it could break the previous high and then making one more high, after that one more short fall. So that will become the fourth wave and fifth wave to reach this 18,100 mark in the Nifty. So if it did like this, so here it could be the, see, in the SGX Nifty we already did this as a, one second, I will show you that. Yeah, here we did as a five-way structure. Later onwards, this is the intermediate wave and this is the third wave. But in Nifty, it seems like this is the one more 1, 2, 3, and we are in the fourth and fifth, means it can shoot again to reach to 18,400 and above also. So either we can look for the different pattern and different chart. It looks like the different patterns here, what we are looking for. So anyway, the next resistance zone is 18,100. After the consolidation, it may reach to the previous high of 18,600 also. But we are expecting market won't do like that, and as I informed, it can be again keep graining to this level, and this could be the head and shoulder pattern, and then again one more high may or may not to break this high, and after that that will become a bigger consolidations in the fourth wave also. So we will quickly look on the bank Nifty also. So bank Nifty, you need to look for my positional view. So positional view, this is the A or 1 and this is the B or 2. So in that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is already completed as per my analysis, and that fifth wave is in the formation of the wedge formation, or it could be that here it's yeah, just clone this perfectly, the equidistant channel, right? So I'm looking for 43,000 here. But what it will do here is somewhat like this, and after the consolidation, so what it is doing, it can be a triangle also. So then the fourth will change here. Later onwards, this could be A, B, C, D, and one more three-way structure for the E, and then it can shoot for that 43 to 44,000. So either this formation or either. So a lot of people can ask, this is a 1 2 3 4 and 4, it's overlapping. The wave 1 means it's a final wave of that fifth wave, or it could be the C wave, or the third wave also. It can be a leading diagonal. Sometimes it, a lot of times happen like that. So you can example for that US oil, I'm showing that for this kind of pattern in the US oil also. See, 1 2 3, so 4, I'm looking for the fifth wave. So either it could be the same pattern in the bank nifty what I explained. So I'm looking for the triangle, or this is the end of the fourth wave, means I'm expecting to reach the $91 here. So in the $91 means I'm expecting this is the somewhat the wedge formation is opposite. It's not a wedge, this is the inverted wedge. That means the starting point is a wedge formation here, and it will go expanding like expanding triangle. So the fifth wave of this crude oil, 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4 5 waves, it can be overlap here also. So it's almost the starting point of the second wave, right? And I already informed that is that this is the stop loss, and it is the getting the invalidation point for this pattern, and exactly bounced from here. So still beyond the consolidation or not, like that. In this bank nifty also, it can happen like such a formation, or it can shoot from here itself. So because why I am expecting such a formation means, in the nifty I'm looking for that 19,500, means after that the third end of the third wave here, after that I am expecting the fourth wave consolidation. So in that time period, whether it is a, it can be a little bit slow movement, and it can getting rejection within this zone, and later onwards, once that fifth wave is of the final nifty, if it moves, after that move in the nifty, so here also the fourth wave is got completed and the fifth wave can shoot. So this is my analysis in the bank nifty also. So hope you enjoyed, and if I found a time, I will keep updating in the daily for the pre-market predictions. So don't blame me about because it's a I done previous, it's nearly daily, and later onwards I weekly twice and twice I did, and last week I don't have found a time, so that is why I didn't done. So I will make a video like this in the future also. So thanks for sharing, thanks for liking, and we will see you on the next Monday at the for the pre-market predictions. So have a lovely weekend to everybody. Bye, see you.